back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it has been so long. I know it hasn't felt long for you guys because you've been watching my vacation videos, but it's been a hot minute since I have actually filmed a recipe video. This isn't going to be a normal recipe video with measurings and all that, just because this is like a follow along recipe. Maddie's there. Say hi, Maddie.
Hey!
I made ragu the other day and I've got like a full container left over. It's just got like pinto beans, lentils. I made like homemade sauce for it. So I was thinking we could make some enchiladas. We got some tortillas here and Maddie's gonna be meal prepping. We're gonna make 2. So if you guys want to follow along with this recipe, just half it because this makes 2 casseroles. Some potatoes that I boiled. This is about like 7 small and medium potatoes. If you guys want to come over here, we'll get started. A little bit of nonstick spray on my pan, and I've got about, is this 2 medium onions? 2. And about 3 carrots. And you just chop them into bite-sized pieces. So got some garlic. We've got 4 cloves of garlic. We like garlic in this house. Maddie likes her garlic. I like my garlic. And then we got a jalapeno pepper, just a teeny beany one. I'm going to do something. Where the heck is it? Oh, you guys, this cover's kind of messy. I don't know if you want to see it. It's a little embarrassing. But I went to Bulk Barn. My coworker has been telling me to get cumin seeds. So I'm going to cook a couple on this other side here. I totally forgot to do this. Usually do this before you put the veggies in here. But I'm just going to put them right here. Let them brown a little bit until they start to pop. Am I the only one who drinks coconut milk out of a fancy glass to make myself feel a little bougier? Maddie was craving chocolate milk, and I made it aware to her that there are many different kinds. This one is not as sweet as the other ones. I would recommend Silk, but Maddie wanted coconut. So we're gonna drink this. Cheers! Peppers. It smells so good in here. And I'm gonna add some salt and pepper, of course, today. And I also got some smoked paprika from Bulk Barn. I haven't put it in the container yet, but I'm gonna put some of that in there because I love me some paprika. That's about a tablespoon. Give that a good mix. We can set that aside. We've got all of our ingredients here. I'm not going to reheat the beans because they're going to cook in the casserole anyways. Basically, you're just going to want to take all of this, put it in a bowl. Ooh. Maddie's here because she's meal prepping. This is her vegetarian month. We've got our tortillas. Maddie's got white, I got brown. We just started by putting some nonstick spray in our pans. Our oven is preheating to 375 degrees. And I'm just going to take my tortillas out.
I was 1 step ahead of you.
Oh, wow. And I've got a homemade tomato sauce here. You guys can buy enchilada sauce, but I couldn't find it in the grocery store. We literally looked everywhere, so
like
tomato sauce is just as good. Yeah, exactly. And I have a homemade cashew cream sauce, literally just cashews that I soak with a little bit of water, some nooch, and some spices. So you're gonna start by taking your tomato sauce and just putting a little bit of that in the bottom of the pan. Just kind of spreading it around like that, and then you're gonna wanna put your tortillas down. Like that. And I'm going to do a layer of the white sauce, just like that. Maybe we do need a spoon, right? Just to spread
Just trying to be helpful.
Just to spread it around a little bit. Just going to spread it. Spread it. And then we'll add our filling. You don't want to add too much per layer because you want to have enough layers to add tortilla, so you want to spread it around evenly. So on the top, we're just gonna add a little more of the cashew cream sauce. It came out a little liquidier than I wanted, but it's gonna thicken in the oven anyways. It's gonna turn out good. Just gonna spread it around and mix it in a little bit.
And you're gonna have some leakage.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to put a pan under this.
We're gonna have some leakage.
There's gonna be some oven leakage. It's really good though.
That just sounds so gross, oven leakage.
Oh, I thought you meant what I was doing.
No.
The slurping noise. Ew. Okay. So I think these babies are ready for the oven. They look so good. In a salad. I made a little side salad to go with this. And this is our casserole. It's looking good. We let it cool down for 10 minutes. I cooked it for 25 minutes and I broiled it for 4 minutes just to get the top a little bit crispier. I'm just gonna cut around this. I've never made this before, so it's gonna be interesting to see how this comes out. Oh yeah. That's it. Ooh, yeah, that looks so good, guys. Take a look at that.
Yeah.
I forgot that there was potatoes in here and I just got really excited. Did anyone else forget about the potatoes? I'm excited. I did. I also just completely missed my entire life. Highly recommend you guys try this. If you do, you can tag me on Instagram, comment below, and give a like if you guys like this video. Bye, guys!